Hello everyone. I am working on my air conditioner, the outside unit. The compressor was running, but the fan stopped working. So I am going to show you how to change this capacitor here. It's the bad one, and I'll show you how to check it in another video. But first of all, we're going to make sure pull the disconnect. This goes in here like that, so pull that out so it's completely disconnected. And I turned off the breakers as well because I don't want to get shocked or hurt. I wanted to show you also, there's the fan motor. Looks pretty old and nasty, but it's actually good. There's the conduit going in, so let's get to it. So I determined there's the conduit right there for the fan, and I have a brown, magenta, and a black wire. So we're going to check the fan also. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ground, here's the common, so I'm going to ground all my lugs, go across all the contactors, and go to the case ground, whatever I can. Make sure this thing is completely discharged, because it will hurt you. So let's go ahead and loosen it up, make it easier. Try not to drop it. The screw or the capacitor. So this capacitor. So what I did is I took a picture with the wires, and I have two blue ones. One goes to the common. So I'm going to disconnect it, and then I have, it's hard to see, maybe I have a clip. Couldn't find any tape, so I got a clip. I put a C on it. That's for my common. So we're gonna let that down. The other one off. That's the Herm. Common. Oh man, get off there. And the fan. Okay. So let's try to get the multimeter. You can see it. I'm going to go to ohms. Go to 600 ohms will be good. Let's see if we can figure out a way to hold it up here. Okay, we have open right now. Stick this behind here. If I can, let's see. Try to get it where y'all can see it. It's much better that way. So, touch my two leads together. 0.0 or 0.1, whatever. That means my meter's working. Okay, so I have my common wire from the fan. I'm gonna hook my black lead to that. And I'm gonna take my fan wires. I have a brown one, and I have this, what I would call magenta, coming off the constant power when the contactor closes. And I'm gonna ohm it out. So I got 21.6 on one set of coils, and I have 26.1. So I'm gonna say that's good. If it was open, like it's reading now when I was connected, then I would think there's an open in the windings. So I think my fan is good. So go get the meter out of here. Disconnect everything. Okay, I'm gonna try and hook this up without getting in the way too much. I put in the new capacitor, and now basically gonna do it in reverse. So I know this one is my Herm. Oops. Go. This one is my fan. This one is a common. And I have my other fan, blue one. I mean Herm, I'm sorry. And I have my one with the clip, which is a common. Take that off. And I have my other fan common. This one. Okay, I gotta put the purple one back on the contactor. Up. The capacitor is not super tight. Let's see. I can't tighten it anymore. This thing is like a universal mount, so it doesn't want to hold right. There we go. Okay, that's it. It's in. Well, I turned it on and couldn't film that because that's way inside. But I did put the disconnect back in. Started it up and the fan runs again. Very happy with that. I only got bit by 3 yellow jackets while I was doing it. So $15, 3 yellow jackets, and I lived. You know, safety third. Y'all have a good one. Talk to you soon. Later.